Welcome back, guys. My name's Ben from Flow Brackets, and today we've got in this Polestar 2. We've already made a front video on our OEM Clean Delete kit, so if you haven't already watched that, go and check that out to see how you can get your number plates cleanly onto your car. But for today, or now, we'll be explaining why you should get a bracket for the back of your car and how to avoid misalignment like this crooked number plate that was installed by the dealer, because he randomly screwed two holes into the bumper. They weren't even straight and the plate's not even in the middle. And this is how a bracket can help you out in a situation where you either need to fix this problem, or if you get a bracket straight to the dealer when you have a brand new car, then you won't have this problem in the first place. Let's get into it. Alrighty, the first thing that we're going to do is remove the number plate before I explain a little bit further on why you need our bracket system. So let's remove the two screws that was randomly put into this bumper. More than likely, the dealership would have done this. As you can see, in the back of this bumper, those two holes don't exist. They were randomly put in just to attach this number plate. And that's not ideal because you're always locked into this position. So not only is this installed crooked, it's also not in the middle, it's not center. The bumper already comes with these two fixings. It's an M6 thread, which takes an M6 bolt. And that's perfect because all of our brackets come with a fitting kit with an M6 bolt. So you can literally bolt on any number plate bracket to it. So for example, this is a 3 to 4 character slimline bracket. You can bolt it on into any position you want. And it's also slide and height adjustable, so you can get it exactly where you want it. Not only that, it is also preventing you from putting holes into your bumper. So in the event that you choose to go to a smaller footprint or larger footprint or different size number plate, you're not locked into where those holes are, or those holes won't be visible. The second reason that you may need a bracket is that we have a complete ecosystem. So if you buy a bracket, you can also choose to option for optional accessories, which is like security screws and covers that work with our bracket. And I'll show you how to get that done. Before we bolt our customer's plate on, let me show you our Victorian slimlines, which is a very common size in Victoria and most states, except for New South Wales and maybe South Australia. The same theory applies. You bolt it onto the factory fitting. Choose any location that suits you. If you want it directly in the middle, or you want it a little bit higher, it'll go to those holes as well. If you wanted to go lower, not that you would, you can too. I would probably go there, but because there's holes already, you might want to move it up a notch. For today, we're installing 3 to 4 character slimlines. So what I've done is installed our spacer that's included in the kit onto the back of the bracket, and this is going to give our number plate installation a bit of a floating look. And it also keeps the bracket and the number plate off the back of the bumper so that you're never scratching or rubbing up against it. So it protects your bumper too. Now that we've got our bracket on securely and off the paint to protect it, we can get our number plate on. Be sure to check out our optional accessories, which is part of our ecosystem. And I guess that's the beauty of our system, is that we have created this ecosystem so that you can add on security screws, and all of our brackets are compatible with Kingpin and Ultrex covers. So right now I'm installing, as the customer requested, some security screws, which just makes it that little bit harder for thieves to steal your number plate. And that's the cleanest way you're going to get number plates onto the back of a Polestar 2. It is clean, elegant, and secure. And best of all, floating, and it doesn't touch anything, so there's not going to be any rubbing or scratching onto your bumper. The best thing about this system is that you don't randomly put holes into the back of your bumper, and it doesn't lock you into a certain position. By using a bracket, you can adjust it to make it go up or down or left to right to make it the way that you want it on your car. If you guys need some help finding the right bracket for your car, give us a call at flowbrackets.com.au.